Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video is obviously going to be pretty different from what you normally see on my channel, but we are in my living room because I am bringing you a living room makeover. We got some home decor, interior design goodness on the channel today. The reason why I wanted to do this is because last year my husband and I moved into this new house. We moved to a new city in Iowa. We moved into a new house and I am not very good. I don't have a very visual, creative mind, especially when it comes to decorating a house. And I felt very overwhelmed moving in here because this house is so different from our last house, where this is more of a ranch style and more open concept. And our house that we had prior was a 2-story and it was a lot more closed off. So I felt like in this house, there was just more to decorate and more to do. And as we would have people come over, they would come into our living room here and be like, oh, so you still haven't done anything with this yet? And I'm like, okay, so we're gonna have to do something with this living room. And this is the after. I will show you the before, of course, but this is the after. And honestly, I'm just really proud of it. I really put a lot into it. We started to buy a few pieces and kind of pick out what we wanted to do with this space right before the COVID-19 crisis, and everything got put on pause for a while. But as we were able to regain our footing, I really kind of threw myself wholeheartedly into this space and redecorating it, because it was something to take my mind off of other things. And it ended up being a really fun project for me. I really enjoyed doing it. I enjoyed finding the pieces and putting everything together. So yeah, I thought I would take you through a little tour of my living room. I'm gonna share with you all the pieces that I bought because there's just like so much cute stuff. I love it. And then also show you the before. So actually, why don't we go ahead and jump into the before so you can see what this space used to look like. This is the before. So you're getting a new entertainment stand, a new TV for up here. We'll be getting a new, I think this is gonna go in one of my offices actually. Hello, Queen. Hello, Queen. Did you pick out good furniture? You did. This is a little before shot featuring Aries of the room that we are giving a makeover to. Seen the before, it was clearly very different in here. So this was just one really big open space. It connects with our kitchen, it connects with the front hallway, it connects with the dining area. I was just very overwhelmed and I didn't know what to do in here. And I did use a website to help me. This video isn't sponsored by anybody, but there will be a few things that I'm mentioning here and there. But when I was talking to my sister-in-law actually about, I really want to do something big with our living room and like really make it look nice. I know that we're going to be here for a while, and this is kind of like our grown-up home. You know, our first house was like our starter home, but this is like, I want to do something more. And she recommended the website Modsy to me. It's M-O-D-S-Y. I'll have it linked down below. And it's basically an interior design app. What you do is you take pictures of the room that you want to decorate, you send in measurements, you send in photos, you take a style quiz, let them know what it is that you like. You can tell them if you have any existing furniture pieces that you want to keep in there, and you can actually even link them directly. And then they create a plan for that room. So that's what I did, because like I said, I don't have a very visual mind, and that helped me so much, because looking at this room, I was like, I honestly have no idea what I'm supposed to do in here. And I loved how they added the couches that would kind of close off this space so it felt more like a room instead of just one big open area. And I just felt like their designs were so cute. And you can go in and you can say like, I like the concept of 1 versus 2, but can we change out, like the first furniture they picked out for us was white. We do have a dog. I was like, white furniture, you know, I should have said that up front, but I didn't even think of it. They came back with white couches and I was like, ooh, no white couches. So you can kind of do it for that. I enjoyed it so much. I thought it was pretty affordable for all of the help that we got, that I'm now actually doing it with our master bedroom too. Because our master bedroom, the way the layout is, it's just confusing to me and I don't know what to do in there. So I actually purchased it again. I purchased the next package so I can also redesign my master bedroom. If you'd want a before and after of that too, just let me know. That is what we use. And another thing on there, when they do pick out the furniture for you, you can click right on that and actually purchase the pieces. I actually didn't do that with anything in here. Everything that I purchased is either from local stores, Target, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, but you do have that option. And the link down below is a referral link. Everyone gets that referral link. Like my sister-in-law sent me her referral link. And then for everyone that signs up, you do get a credit into your account for if you want to purchase things directly through the Mozzie website. But I definitely wanted to mention them because I don't think I would have been able to visually create this concept by myself. So it was really a great tool for me to have in the beginning. This is just another look at the layout. We have the stairs to our basement over here. We do have the big window there, and then that next room is our dining area. So where we started actually was with the couch and the love seat. We did get these from a local store. It is called Rediker's here in Iowa. The queen has entered. The queen has entered the building. This is my dog Aries. You had to be in here, didn't you? I know you did. I already have the end tables purchased. I just got them from Walmart. We actually got those when we moved in last year because our end tables that we had, they were just ready to go. So I actually found these on the Walmart website. You want to shake? Good girl, good girl. I did find these on the Walmart website and I was able to link them in Mozzie. So when they gave us the redesign, those were already in there. So we were trying to figure out what we wanted to do. So when we went to Rediker's, we didn't have a whole lot in mind. But we found this set and we really liked them. Like it would offer more seating than just a chair. And then we felt like we could kind of close off the room a little bit better with two larger pieces of furniture instead of the standalone chair. We also love the color gray, so that was definitely a main color that we wanted to have in the living room. So we were really happy with this set and I think that it just goes in this room really well. We were a little bit worried that the queen here would miss her old furniture because she loved it. She loved the chair especially, but she's been getting on so well with these new pieces. I got all of the pillows here from Target. This flower arrangement here also came from Target. We focused on the largest pieces, which for us was the coffee table and then the entertainment console. These both did come from Wayfair, so I will link them down below. But we also wanted to incorporate a little bit of wood. We had gray fixtures picked out and I'm telling you, we probably could have done this entire room in gray if you would have left it up to my husband and I because we love gray. But we thought the wood would make for a good accent coffee table and Mitch said it was really easy to put up. I'm still thinking of things to put down here, whether it be just like a throw or whether it be some more decor pieces. Sometimes I just remember to set the remotes down there because it looks a little bit cleaner. This candle, I absolutely love it. This is from the Studio McGee line at Target. I saw I Love Sarah E recommend it and I immediately went to the Target website and purchased it. We have yet to light it, but it smells so good and I just thought it was beautiful decor. I also get a new TV and we decided to hang it instead of having it on an entertainment stand like we did last time. My husband did have a little bit of a struggle setting up this entertainment stand. It does have a glass fixture right here. It isn't too bad. It does comes with these doors and this one you do have to lift up to put it in. But this room, we're not in the most. We are downstairs quite a bit more and we have a different TV and we have a sectional down there because we do have a finished basement. So we just wanted something here. We didn't want to do anything too expensive, but this works for us. All of this right here is from Target. These wooden vases are in the Studio McGee line, as is this little candle. There's a third size of this candle too. So I have the big one, this one, and then there is smaller ones. And then this is actually a hanging flower pot. So if we wanted to, we could hang it up, but we just have it here for right now. And that is from the Joanne Gaines line that's available at Target. I believe it's Earth and Hand, Earth and Heart, Earth and Hand. I will have everything linked that I can in my description box if you're interested in anything. But I loved this. I thought it was so cute. And we can have the option of hanging it too if we want to. We just have a couple different signs over here and a wedding photo. This is from Joanne Gaines' line also. I thought that this would go really well too, because another thing I was trying to incorporate was like greenery, natural color, neutral colors. So I was trying to find little pieces that would fit in with that. This is one of my favorite little corners over here. I thought this came out so well. We got this little floof thing just at a local store here. I will try to find anything similar and link some alternatives. But again, I really like the coloring on it, and I felt like it would go well with this room. And we wanted something here. I don't want a table, I don't want a piece of furniture, but I want something over here. So when I found this, I thought it would be perfect. And then I love how this corner came out. I love the colors. I love all the greenery. I love the basket. I feel like this came out so well. And shout out to my intern, Abby, who was helping me do the redesign of this living room. She did this corner. Like, I purchased everything, but she actually put the corner together, and I just thought it was perfect. First up, we have the snake plant, and I got that from Target. This basket in the back came from Home Goods, and I saw it and I was like, I don't know what I can do with this, but I gotta have it. Inside, I did put a pillow. We had a couple old pillows that we've had for a while that we were going to throw away. But when Abby first put in these different products and flowers, she was like, you know, if you could put something in there to kind of boost them up, it will look even better. I was gonna toss the pillow anyways, so I actually just put it in there. And then we filled it with these different pieces of greenery. These were all purchased from a local store, but I'll try to find anything similar once again and link it all down below. And we loved this like hanging greenery, but we weren't really sure what we were gonna do with it. She had the idea to put this basket from Home Goods, which I saw it and I immediately, like, I had to have it. I actually saw someone on TikTok purchase this from Home Goods, and I was like, I'm going on a mad mission to find that basket. And I found it and I absolutely fell in love. I just thought it would match, once again, like the color scheme in here so well, and how she put it to kind of drape over the side. I was like, I am truly just obsessed with this little corner. I think it is the most beautiful. I do want something over here to kind of cover up some of these cords, but that's okay. We'll keep working on that. I did also buy this piece here that we hung over the staircase. It's just a flower, and I also bought that at Hobby Lobby. I felt like it was on the cusp of fitting in with the room, with the greenery and the flowers and everything. I love this corner so much. It's definitely one of my favorite sections. I forgot to talk about the rug, because this was a really big purchase that we made too. This is a 7x10 rug, and rugs can be pretty expensive. We got them from our local At Home, but I did find a rug similar to this on Wayfair. We almost purchased it there, but then we were at Home and we found this. It has a little bit of gray in it, a little, like, it's mostly white, but then has that little bit of gray to it too. So we thought it would be perfect for this room, and I think that it's excellent. I've not really been a rug person before, but I've not had hardwoods before either. But I felt like it really just tied everything together, and with the furniture, I just thought it looked so good. So over here in this corner, I got another basket. I purchased this from Target also. I love baskets that kept appearing on Modsy, but also just other Instagram accounts I would look at, or Pinterest. There's a lot of baskets in places. I wasn't really sure what to put in it, but I did purchase that pillow from Target, and we threw it in there to see if it would work, and it did. I put the basket over here because we felt like we needed something over here. I kind of played with the idea of putting it on the other side too with the cords, but then that would have been 2 baskets, and that just didn't make the most amount of sense to me. I purchased this wooden necklace. I actually got it from Hobby Lobby, but the Studio McGee line at Target has something really similar to it, and I was able to find a few other alternatives online. We had it first around the bottom of the sign that says Mitch and Samantha there, and we weren't sure where to put it, but once we put the basket here, that's when I thought to just kind of drape it over the side, and I loved it. I actually did this once Abby was gone, and I sent her a picture of it, and she was like, yes. I was like, I can't believe I did that. Like, I do not have the visuals for that. This lamp I thought was perfect. This was from another local store in my town here, but once I walked in and saw it, I was like, absolutely have to have this, because again, I just felt like it tied in with the whole theme so well. And then this old tree here, this is from Target also, from the Earth and Hand line from Joanna Gaines. It's the fiddle fig tree, and I thought that it would look perfect. I knew I wanted something over here in this space, and I love it. So that is it for this living room tour. I hope you enjoyed this very different style video on my channel, but I was really proud of it. When she came home, he said he thought it looked like it was out of a magazine, and I was like, oh my gosh, I've never had a living room, like, I don't know why I'm gonna like want to cry, but I feel like I've never had a living room just like look this beautiful, and I'm so proud of it. Also, this was a space where, like, again, we just really wouldn't come in the living room. We barely turned the TV on here. It was really rare for both of us to be sitting on the couch or the chair and just kind of socializing out here. And I come out here so much. I love to read on the love seat. Aries loves the rug. I don't know if you can see her, but Aries is over here behind the table. She loves the rug. I think this was a great addition. She loves hanging out on the couch also. This is now just a space that we want to be in. We enjoy being out here, and I'm really proud of it. We haven't had any people come over, which who knows when we will because of COVID-19. But we haven't had anyone come over yet, especially someone who's seen the house before, who's gonna see it after. But I really like want to host something now because it just makes me feel like it's just such a nice space, and I'm really proud of it, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. So that's why I wanted to make this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Maybe you got some design ideas if it was something that you were looking for yourself. And again, you can check my description box. I will link everything that I've purchased, or I'll try to find as many alternatives as I can also, if you are interested in anything. But thank you so much for watching. Again, we moved into this space last year, and we're slowly redoing rooms and buying for them. I do have an office before and after makeover also for my main office that I use. I will link that one if you want to see it. But if you do want to see more of these for other rooms as we kind of go about them, or you want to see more home and lifestyle videos on my channel, please do just let me know. I would love to get your feedback. But other than that, that is going to do it for today. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope that you'll also consider subscribing before you go. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Got a little bit tired showing you the living room, but she also says bye. And thank you for watching.